Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have two new sticker books from KellofaPlan that I'm going to flip through. And also I'm going to do a little plan with me, probably featuring this Pastel Floral sticker book. But we have Pastel Basics. I love Heather's Basic sticker books. It's a good variety of colors. So excited to flip through this one. And then we have Pastel Florals. So let me do a flip through first. We'll go through the basics first. Oh, these released today at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. I will have it linked. I'm pretty sure when this video goes up, it'll be available to purchase if you're interested. So I'll have my affiliate link down in the description. But yeah, this is the Pastel Basics Volume 2. First page. Ooh, I love using these boxes for my budgeting, and I love the variety of colors that are included here. So we have two of the small boxes. Then we go a little bit larger on the size here. Really nice pastel colors. These are monthly boxes with a little notch for the date. Then some of the regular vertical classic size boxes. A few pages of these. Got some double boxes, the long like sidebar ones, and then we're starting to get into some checklists. I love some long boxes. Always like to use these on my sidebars. And then double boxes on the weekend. These are for the dashboard, so they'll fit into your, if you use the dashboard planner. Some nice bullet points. Get a few pages like that. Ooh, this is nice. So we have some washi stickers. These have like little polka dots on them, which are really cute. Next page. So two sheets like that. Some checklists and some half checklists on the bottom. So 2 pages of those. A whole page of bullet points. Love that. So you get two like that, and nice variety of colors. And we have some headers today, tomorrow, this week, this month, to do, focus, and a variety of the pastel colors. So 2 pages like that. We have the month stickers in different font styles, and then you also have days of the week, Monday through Sunday on the bottom. Oh, nice. And then a little date it page with the numbers. So 2 pages like that. Cool. All right, so that is Pastel Basics. Just a nice functional book, which is always nice to have on hand. So I'm going to flip through now Pastel Florals. So we got some boxes, bullet points, checklists, and then the floral page that coordinates. So you get 2 of these clear decorative sheets, and then it goes into the next color scheme. Ooh, these colors are pretty. I like the orange, the florals. And these 2 are the same pages. So you get 2 of the same pages. Next color scheme and florals. Some oranges and purples. It's like a good variety of colors. That's why I really like these. She does a good job with the colors. Okay, those are cute. Purples and pinks. Ooh, I love that mint color with the pinks. That's pretty. Some blues on this one. More pinks. Ooh, this is like a lighter pastel. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay, so that is the Pastel Florals book. So those are both of the books that are releasing today. Again, I'll have these linked, or the site linked down in the description. If you're interested in purchasing, that'll be my affiliate link. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Pastel Florals and decorate, not a spread, but I really like the paper that KellofaPlan comes out with, so I'm going to use some of her filler paper. Okay, so when I was editing, I completely forgot that there's actually another thing being released on release day, and it is some of the snap covers, like this one right here. This one's from KellofaPlan, and these are going to be released. It's got like a nice little pocket here, but these are going to be released in a variety of pastel colors, so definitely check that out too, because these are really, really nice. She's got a pretty good price point for these, so I feel like they're pretty affordable on her site. But yeah, I love a nice like planner cover. There's a little pen loop on the side. I just always like having a nice planner cover on my planners to use through the year. But yeah, just wanted to mention that these are going to be available. I don't have any of the colors, but I have this style, this pink one, the style of the snap-in covers that are going to be released. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that before I move on into the plan with me. So hopefully she still has filler paper like this. I love this daily sheet. I'm actually going out of town this week and I have a busy Friday, so it's nice to have this like filler paper on hand, some like daily filler paper for extra stuff that needs to get done, because I have a whole thing that I need to do, and I need a bunch of things I need to do before I leave. So when that happens, I like to get like an extra little sheet and stick that in my planner. So again, I hope this is still available. Definitely check on the site. If not, she might restock, hopefully, we'll see. But I'm gonna use this Pastel Florals just to make this a little fancier. So let me find the one I want to use first, because I haven't decided that. I really like this one actually. That one's pretty. It's cute too. I kind of want to use this one. Ooh, that's cute too. Okay, I'm not gonna overthink it. I'm just gonna use this one. All right, so let me first get some white out. I ran out of my what's it called? My correction tape. So I'm just gonna white out today because I want this side to be like a packing list, because I need to make sure I take everything with me. So I'm just gonna relabel this with a box, but for now I'm just gonna leave that. Actually, let me get some decorative stickers on the page first. Okay, so I'm going with this sheet here. I'm gonna grab this big one right here. Okay. Just add it to the corner. So let me go back to the boxes, and I'm just going to take one of these, just relabel this. I'm not actually writing it. I usually don't, but figured I might as well. This is going to be packing list. Okay. So this is a nice long list section that I can use, so I like that. I guess I can relabel this too, just to keep it a little cohesive. I'm gonna write over here. Oh, you know what I should have done? Oh, jeez. Actually, no, because I don't think packing list is in here, but I could have used these headers that are in this book. To do, focus, this week, tomorrow. Okay, I could use those, but I'm just gonna write it in. All right, so I'm gonna do this one here. Okay, and this one, I haven't decided yet what that one's gonna be, so I'll come back to it. Oh, I could do a little checklist over here. So let's do the blue. Let's do a blue checklist here. I feel like having checklists is always a good thing. Because so I'm going to go visit my brother this weekend. I haven't seen him. I didn't see him for Christmas, him and his family. So I have a bunch of gifts. Oh, actually I need to go pick up gifts at my mom's and take them to him and all that. So yeah, I've got a bunch of things I need to do before I leave. And that's why this is gonna come in handy. So let's see. I don't know what I want to label this. I haven't decided. Okay, let me get some more decorative elements on the page. So I really like this one. Maybe I can do it here. So I can still write here, I can still write here, so that works like that. I could relabel all of these too if I want to. Put even more checklists. I think I will actually. You know what? Let me find my whiteout because I don't want to have to white it out with the pen. All right, I have one left and then I have to order more. Okay, so I'm just gonna white this out. Okay, oops. So I can grab some of the boxes, some of these boxes. We'll do a blue one up here. Let's see, let's do green. Put some green on the page for this one. And then we'll do blue again. Blue, here. Okay. And then that way I can like do more specific things. So like I said, I'm gonna go visit my brother and I need to take all their gifts. I need to wrap still. Oh my gosh, I still have to wrap. I'm hoping my mom has a bunch of bags and I can just throw them in bags with tissue paper. So we'll see. But I'm just gonna write gifts here. So I need to take care of that. Let's see what else I need to do. Oh, clean. I wanna clean some things before I leave because I don't wanna come home to like some of the mess I have that I need to pick up. So clean, and then this one will be, okay, got my packing list, clean, and then I can do work because I want to get some stuff done. I have the day off on Friday from work, but I want to do like some social media work. So that would be my like little list because I'm not leaving until later in the day. So I have time during the day to get some things done. All right, and then here, what do I want to put here? I'm just gonna put remember because I don't know what else I want to do. Remember, this would be like a list of things. Oh, I actually need to do like I need to call like Toyota because I need to make an appointment and things like that. So I could list that there. This, I haven't decided yet what I want to do with this. Let's see. Maybe I can find a word. Oh, let me find a word in here. Maybe, we'll see. Tomorrow, this week. No, I'll just do a little list if I need it. Okay, so let's add more decorative stickers. Okay, let's see. I feel like a little goes a long way, which is nice in these because these are very like functional pages. So you don't want to just cover up everything with stickers, but you want to put stickers, you know? Definitely want stickers. Let's put one here. So I still can write, so it's not like too much in the way. But then I get some decor on the page too. Okay, and then I have this little piece here. So maybe I could put this like on the punched edge since it's not in the way. Okay. I mean, I think for the most part, it's pretty good. Maybe I'll add some boxes in here. Let's do a green one because I haven't done, actually I kind of want to do pink and green. I love pink and green together. So let's do a box. Box here. And then a box here. A little layered situation there. And then I can do some checklists. More checklists. Can't have enough checklists. I'm going to do some orange checklists here. Just a few dots should be fine. We'll do 3. Okay. It's a little crooked. It's going a little to the left. Let me fix that. Okay, I think that's better. Cool. All right, so that's gonna be my little daily sheet. Cute. For Friday, using Pastel Florals. All right, so this book, again, it releases on Friday, and well, both of these release. So they should be available. I'm putting this video up on Friday, so they will be available to purchase once this video goes up. But yeah, I really like how that turned out. It's gonna be a very nice little handy daily sheet for today. Let me circle the date actually. So like you can like circle the date or you can like highlight it. Maybe I'll highlight it. Let's see, I got little highlighters over here. The little mile liner. So let me do, this is gonna be for, actually let me check. It's a good color. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna do Friday, and then I can do February, and then the date is going to be the 9th. So we got the 9th here. Cute. All right, so that's the last little bit I wanted to do for that. But that's gonna be it. Again, these release on Friday around, I think at 10. I'll have the info linked down in the description, because depending on your time zone, it'll be a different time. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you wanna see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.